Yeah, Sarah is on the beach now. Yeah? Do you remember that ship, Sarah? Do you remember that ship? When we were flying, we saw that ship from the aircraft, the red one, and now it's going towards the port. Yeah. So Sarah is coming with Daddy after a long time.
After a year or so.
Yeah, is it after a year?
Yeah.
Hello. Are you excited? Wow. So Sarah and Shruti are joining after really a long time. Should be a fun flight. Awesome. Mornington Tower, Warrior Romeo Quebec Mike is ready on Golf 2, runway 17 right for an oblique downwind departure to Brighton and Williamstown.
Romeo Quebec Mike, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, Romeo Quebec Mike. Melbourne, VFR coastal route traffic, good day Warrior, Romeo Quebec Mike is approaching Brighton at 1,900 feet. Surrounding the zone, tracking Williamstown, Loughton Bomb Tower and Berryby Race Course. Melbourne, VFR coastal route traffic. Just see if you can see the light tower.
That ship is amazing. It's such a big one.
Can you see the light tower? Okay.
I think it's
Okay, there is another one coming up. One 1 o'clock.
That one I saw, yeah.
You saw that, right? You look at the waves.
Yeah, it's amazing.
I'm just trying to remember the beach name. Yeah, I can see on the map. It's called St. Andrews Beach.
This one?
Yeah.
334 Melbourne Center.
Can you see what's in on the ship? The ship is coming towards Port Melbourne. Can you see that?
One more?
Yeah, the same ship. Which is right.
I saw the lighthouse again.
Yeah.
Mike, runway 17 right, clear to land.
Runway 17 right, clear to land, Romeo Quebec Mike. Sarah, how was your flight after a long time? Exciting? What did you like in the flight? Chips. I thought you would say something about flying, but you liked chips.
What about the views?
Did you spot anything? Did you see anything from the window?
Yes.
What? Oh, you can't remember. But did you love flying?
Did you see beach and boats and ships?
Awesome. Thank you very much for joining me on the flight. Yeah. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you. Cheers. Let's go home then. And now, Mama, you have to drive. I can't drive. I'm super tired. As usual. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Sarah. See you next time on the next flight then. Bye-bye.
Hey, Daddy.
Yeah.
There is some shadow. There's Daddy's shadow. There's Mama's shadow. There's Sarah's shadow.
Oh, yes. There are the three shadows. Say bye-bye, Sarah.
Nine shadows.
Bye-bye.